Maintenance schedules. Next, I'll walk through the maintenance schedules module. This screen displays all scheduled maintenance, including name, frequency, duration, facility, and creation detail. Creating a maintenance schedule. To create a schedule, select Create. Enter a name, set the frequency, and choose whether it is based on time, miles, or engine hours. Define the expected duration and assign a facility. You can add tasks, assign parts, and link assets to the schedule. Once complete, select Create, and the schedule will appear in your list. You can also view, edit, or delete schedules as needed.